Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video. Today our topic is about the payday loan online in California. Many people still think that once they have a poor credit score, they can't get any loans, but it is not true. With the use of some online lending platforms, you can easily get loan amounts based on your income level. Also, they don't do any credit checks. Let's learn more about them in the video. If you want to get to the official website of these platforms, go to descriptions. There you have the links. So let's get started. Top 5 best payday loan lenders online California. 24M Loan. First and foremost in our list, we have the industry-known lending platform 24M Loan. This lending platform offers an easy online application process to all borrowers. It allows borrowers to apply for loans running up to $1,000. They don't require a credit check but focus on verifying your income. To qualify to apply for the 24M loan, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid ID, proof of steady income, and an active bank account. The best part of the 24M loan is that it provides same-day funding with repayment terms of up to 30 days. Also, they have a transparent fee structure with no hidden charges. 50K loan. Next on the list, we have the 50K loan, which is known for quick payday loans of up to $1,000. They make the process easy by not requiring any collateral or a perfect credit score. The approval rate at the 50K loans lending platform is high. Even those with poor credit can get a loan at the 50K loans lending platform. At the 50K loans, you have repayment periods between 14 to 30 days, and the interest rates are competitive and customized to your financial situation. Super Personal Finder. Moving on, we have the Super Personal Finder, which is known for its easy and quick lending process. At the Super Personal Finder, instead of looking at your credit score and other income aspects, they only check your monthly income and give out a loan for you. It is a great option for borrowers who want to have a lending process without any credit checks. They also offer instant decision making and same-day funding, with repayment terms typically between 14 to 30 days. Also, at the Super Personal Finder, the terms are all clear, and all fees are disclosed upfront, so borrowers need not worry about the fees and rates. Fund Finance. Next, we have the Fund Finance platforms. These platforms provide payday loans quickly and easily. They do not conduct credit checks, but instead, they will calculate your monthly income, and based on that, they will provide you a loan amount and the interest rates, etc. Also, the Fund Finance has high approval rates and fast funding, with repayment terms of up to 30 days. Additionally, their fee structure is transparent, ensuring that they don't charge any hidden fees, giving peace of mind to borrowers. Hard Paydays. Last but not least, we have the industry standard lending platform that is Hard Payday Loans. Unlike any other lending platform, Hard Payday Loans provide same-day funding. They don't require credit checks, and because of this, it is one of the great options for people with poor credit scores or no credit scores. They also provide a 30-day repayment period or more based on your loan amount and your specific financial situation, and they also offer competitive interest rates. All the rates will be disclosed beforehand, so there will be no chance for hidden fees. How to apply for a payday loan online California. The application process to get a payday loan online in California is an easy and quick process, but you don't have to worry about it. We will guide you through the entire application process for payday loans online in California. Let's get started. First and foremost, you need to have a clear idea of your current financial situation and the amount of money you need to get out of it. Once you figure out your financial situation, then based on your monthly income from different sources, you should evaluate how much you can get from lending platforms. Then you need to gather all the required documents that are needed at the lending platform. Make sure to gather all the documents. How to apply for a payday loan online California. Next is selecting the right lending platform, which is the most important step in the entire application process. You need to select the right lending platform that can easily align with your needs and requirements and can also provide you with a loan in a given time. Once you select the lending platform, now you should visit the lending platform, select the loan amount you need, and start the application process. Don't worry, the application process is quite simple at these lending platforms. Once you have completed the application process at the lending platforms, you connect with the lender and agree on a lending agreement. This lending agreement has all the details about your loan amount, interest rates, etc. So make sure to read it twice before signing it. And within 24 hours of the loan agreement being signed, you get the loan amount in your bank account. Conclusion. To wrap the video up, the financial situation is unpredictable and can cause huge misery. You don't have to worry deeply about it. You can use the lending platforms we mentioned in the video and select one according to your needs to get out of your financial crises at once. To get to the official website of the lending platforms mentioned in the video, go to the description below. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.